Hannah Mallorca of Inquirer.net.
Hello po, Ms. Mel. Good afternoon po and congratulations.
Where are you, Hannah?
Here po. Here po.
Oh, okay.
Hello
Yes,
po.
welcome.
Congratulations po.
Thank you.
First question ko po is, sa 23 years po na magpakailanman, what is your favorite story?
Ano naman, 1,000 yun eh. Paano naman? Oops. Ni-research ko. Ni-research ko. But these are not favorite na ano, no? Let me just put it this way. I must, sabihin ko na lang, these are the stories also na tumatak din sa akin. No? Kasi lahat sila favorite ko eh. Siyempre, it's my show, you know. Pero there are some na naiiwan pa rin hanggang ngayon sa aking alaala yung mga shows na ito. Well, okay. Unang-una, sa celebrity episodes natin, ang recent, well, let me see, this year ito. Yung kwento ni Abdul Rahman. Alam nyo, pagkatapos ng interview ko sa kanya, naiyak ako and I was pushed to, tumindig ako. And I said, give me a hug. Automatic, give me a hug. And he hugged me. And this was because I faced a young man, so young, very, very young man, who had who surmounted problems na talagang hindi mo akalain na maaayos niya yung buhay niya on his own. If you will recall, ang story niya, na-abuse siya ng mother niya. Tapos, na siya ang nag-alaga sa mother niya, sa kapatid niya. Basta, yung buhay niya napaka-complicated. But in the end, he won all his fights. Isa yan. Okay. Siyempre, kay Alden Richards, nanalo si Alden Richards dito ano ang title mo kanina? Yung parents niya, may mental problem, may mental illness. And he was the one who had to. Baliktad yung buhay doon. Imbis sa parents taking care of children, ito naman, the son taking care of both parents who were mentally ill. Di ba? He won, best actor in that movie.
Sa puso.
Sa puso at isipan. Yes, you are correct. So yun, gusto ko rin yun. Pagkatapos, ano pa? Yung mga, ano ba ninyo yung episode na yung girl, this young girl, was afflicted with, let me see if I can remember the name of the disease. Osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteo refers to bone. Ang bone niya, lumalambot as she gets older. And so she's the one na meron siyang bed na tinutulak. Hindi siya nakatindig, hindi siya naka-wheelchair. Because her bones, soft na yung bones niya. Hindi na talaga, konting kibot yun, mababali ang mga bones niya, ganyan. No? But, up to now, it's there. Kasi, she was such a cheerful person despite that. No? Nag-aaral siya. She was a normal girl. No? She will also fall in love. So, I thought, tingnan mo itong bata nito mo, sa hirap ng kanyang buhay, no? She was always over and above all the problems that she would encounter. And she knew that her life was short. She knew she was just waiting for the time that God would call her. Pero hindi niya tinigil na, nag-aaral siya. She dances in her car, and nakakatuwa. So I am also, kung sasabihin nyo you are inspired by magpakailanman, ako yung numero 1 inspired when I meet these people. You know? Unimaginable na may mga taong gano'n. Ang lakas talaga ng mga because maybe God really ang nag-guide sa kanila. Ana. Next.
Siguro po, di ba po fact-checking is a must in our jobs, especially when it comes to telling stories with different people. So, sa magpakilaman po, how do you ensure that these stories are done with proper fact-checking and it does justice to the people?
Wala na ako dyan. It's our formidable research team. Yan ang trabaho nila. Yes. Eh, di ba? Kasi listahan ko. Listahan ko. Alex. Yung listahan ko na inabot ni Miss Michelle kanina. Michelle, do you have a copy there? I must have left it inside the dressing room. Chanta, will you please? Just rush there and get the... See? See? Michelle? See? Last minute yan, sabi ko, naku, I won't have a chance to thank all of them, our researchers, no? Kasi many of them have stayed on for 23 years, you know. Can you just imagine their love for their job? At hindi madali. Ang dami nilang competition, di ba? Pero, yan, ay nako, thank you, Michelle. Alright, let me... Okay. Alright, our head researcher is Rodney Julio. Can you please stand up if you're here? They're here. Let's see. Hi! My beloved jurist na mahilig magpasalubong sa akin. And of course, I have Angel. Is Angel here? Angel Laonio. Wala si Angel. Absent? Oh, absent. Research, I'm sure. Cynthia de los Santos. Stanley Pabilona. Ayan, nandito si Stanley. And Carl Angelo Butua. Ayan, very good. Thank you very much to you guys. Yan. Ayan, nasa yung nagtatanong sa akin yun. Oh, ikaw pala. Oh, yan, mga yan, ano, they make sure that, tawag ito, totoo yung ano. And ano din ha, I have to include this, no? Remember, kami natin drama anthology na nagpe-present sa inyo, pinapakita namin sa inyo kung sino yung aming subject. It's either that, kung hindi siya pwede, somebody related to the story, or yan, ganyan. Kami lang yun, nasa loob namin, papakita namin. Why? Kasi, gusto namin i-prove, pagpakita sa inyo, totoo yung istorya namin. Totoo, hindi namin gawa-gawa lang yan. No? And you must know that each and every element of that story is approved by our subject. Approve nila yon. Hindi kami maglalabas ng kami-kami lang. Hindi.
Thank you po and congratulations po.
Oh, thank you, Manny.
Thank you, Ms. Mel. Thank you, Ms. Hannah Malyor.
Hi.
Hello po.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome.
And happy anniversary
Thank you.
to you and your excellent team.
Thank you.
Ang tanong ko lang po, ma'am, as one of the most prominent journalists in the country, not everybody of your caliber has been given the chance to host a drama
Oh,
anthology.
yes, you're so right.
So, para po sa inyo, I guess the question is, what has this meant to your career as a journalist, having magpakialaman as part of it for 23 years?
Alam mo, nung umpisa, nagulat ang mga tao, ha? She's doing drama? Nakakasang kilay nila. Diba? Kasi I'm not supposed to. Meaning, I was a news personality from the very beginning. Biglang, oops, nagdadrama siya. But you see the wisdom of the GMA. You see the wisdom of GMA Network. Diba? And I will always just say this. A news person chronicles the lives of people. Di ba? Ang news na pinapanood nyo is about people. The events. Even yung mga bagyong dumaan sa atin, that's still about people. Kasi people na nakakapektuhan. Di ba? This flood control projects, anomaly. Ano ba yan? Klase. Mga sabay-sabaying people. Mga people din yan. Oh, it is about people. And why should I not, tell stories of people in a drama genre? It's the same thing, except na naka-drama. We write, that's great. We broadcast on the air. TV on the air. Drama lang ito eh. I would always explain it that way. I'm still staying true to my profession. Is that a good answer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And
Thank you.
do you think po na mas lalo po nakatulong yun sa inyo na mapalapit sa mga tao in terms of, di ba ho pag, like some journalists or broadcasters, like maybe some of the masses po hindi sila masyadong naiintindihan or they think they're not very accessible. Has this helped you in that way? Do you believe that it has brought you closer to the Filipino masses po?
Yes, but remember, I was the one who how would I put it, organized, I was the one who organized the GMA Kapuso Foundation. Yun naman, hindi lang broadcast, hindi lang drama. I really sit down with them. I sat down with them. Because I have retired from the foundation since 2016. I sat down with them. Hindi lang nila alam yun. Pero I would go to the mountains. I would do relief operations. I would ride the ocean. I would ride the army trucks. I would ride bangka, Roro. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung Roro?
Yes.
You do? Really? Ano yun? Ako, saya ko yan, Roro. Papunta ng Doro, papunta ka sa Roro, di ba? Roro! I would. Even before magpakailanman. Iba yun. Kasi yun, hindi lang eye to eye, talagang, skin to skin. Talagang in front with them.